After 2 years of ownership, my wife had a part break on her Aventure 2 e-bike. This is the Everyday Man, and today I'm going to show you what that broken part is, what the warranty process was, and we're going to replace the part with a new part. So here we are. We're at the Fender, and it's the support bracket for the Fender. Look at that. It's broke right off, right? Now worse than that, when it broke off, it ended up in here, and it ended up rubbing against the brake rotor. And I'll show you that when I take it off. There's a big grind mark on the back side of this right here. This screw is a 3mm, and this screw is a 4mm head. So let's go ahead and take these off. It fell right off. So there's the back screw. Keep that separate because it's different than the front. And here's the other part. Let me show you a photo of how this looks and how it broke. It's got to be a stress crack that broke that in half. Maybe it broke because that screw was too tight. I don't know. Here's the part that broke. The rear fender bracket. So I looked up customer service on the website. I called the phone number. I got a lady that really helped me out. 10 minutes later, she sent me an email back confirming that it's under warranty and they're going to replace the part. So here's the bag that has exactly what I asked for. These are the two brackets. What else is in here? Well, here's another bag with brackets. This has two more of the same bracket and two shorter ones. Those fit, you're right, the front fender. So I've got two for the rear, two for the front, and at the bottom of the bag is the hardware. And look what else is in here. Yep. Two brand new fenders, front and rear fenders. So I've got, I guess what they call a fender replacement kit. Make sure that they're going in without cross-threading or stripping. All right, now you see how they're moving up and down? Okay, so they're giving you some adjustment there. Don't tighten it down until you get the other one in. All right, I like to get it in with my fingers if I can, and you see the whole thing's moving, right? Well, I'll tell you why I think that is. I think it's because it centered the fender that way. So let's just lightly snug that. And then we're gonna look at a different angle here and see if I'm right. You can see the fender is off center to the tire, right? It's hanging over more this way than this way. So if I push the fender, then I tighten this down, I think it's gonna hold it in center. Put the wrench in there for starters. And then tighten it, and it looks like that worked. It looks much better, centered nicely. I'm gonna snug that up, not too much. I'm sorry, I can't tell you on camera how much is too much, but you don't want to snap these off for sure. They're tightened up, the fender is centered, my wife's bike is fixed, ready to ride again. I couldn't be happier with Aventon. Great company, I always knew they were, but this really proved it. If you have any warranty issues or even repair questions, I highly suggest calling them on the telephone. Just ask for customer service. I hope I could help you a little bit understand what to look for on your e-bike. And with that said, this is the Everyday Man. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.